Assalamualaikum dear listeners. Welcome to my channel Translation Studies by Taiba. How are you? Today's video is based upon a famous Pakistani novelist Tehmeena Durrani's novel Happy Things in Sorrow Times, which was written in 2013 and published by Feroz Sons publisher in Pakistan. Table of contents of this presentation are as number 1 is about author, number 2 is list of Tehmeena Durrani's novels, number third is characters of the novel Happy Things in Sorrow Times. Number 4 is the features of this novel Happy Things in Sorrow Times. Listeners, first of all, I am going to tell you about the author of this novel. As you know that the author of this novel is Tehmeena Durrani, which belongs to Pakistani province Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So let's start. Listeners, the author of this novel, Happy Things in Sorrow Times, is Tehmeena Durrani. She belongs to Peshawar in the province of Pakistan, KPK. As you know that KPK stands for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. She was born on 1953, February 18, in Lahore, Pakistan. Listeners, she is a Pakistani women's rights activist and author who wrote many texts on different issues. Her father, Shakurullah Durrani, was the governor of the State Bank of Pakistan. At 17, she married Anis Khan and divorced. Durrani later married Ghulam Mustafa Khar, but again, unfortunately, she divorced. As of 2003, Durrani married to this elected Chief Minister of Punjab, Pakistan, Mian Shehbaz Sharif. As you can look at the picture of Tehmeena Durrani and her husband. List of Tehmeena Durrani's novels. Number 1 is My Feudal Lord. As you know that My Feudal Lord is a very famous writing. Number 2 is A Mirror to the Blind, which is based upon the Abdul Sittar Eidi, a famous Pakistani hard worker man. Number 3 is Blasphemy. Blasphemy means in Urdu as kufr. Number 4 is Happy Things in Sorrow Times, about which today I am going to describe you some important facts. Characters of the novel. Listeners, this novel revolves around several characters. Some characters are as which I am going to telling you in detail. Number 1 is Aga Gulabidin Asfandiyar. Number 2 is Basrabia, but you know that as the story of the novel moves, the name of Basrabia changed from Basrabia to Basra and then Butterfly. Number 3 is Sher Khan. Sher Khan, an alternative name for Sher Khan is the Tiger King. Next is Torgul. Next, Loya Marwat, Roly Poly, Spin Baby Gul, EM. As you know that EM stands for everyone's mother. So here the writer Tehmeena Durrani use a short form instead of everyone's mother. Next is Hur. Hur was a best friend of Basrabia at the school. School name, you know that, Another Chance. Next, Akhtari, Anwari, Akbari, Bunty, Mary, Ang, Sherzad and Tinkerbell. Next, Sher Marjan. Sher Marjan was also an alternative name was Sher Khan when Sher Khan became chief of a army. Next is Maryam, Mashra Bibi, Kashra Bibi, Habira, Hani, Gul, Chang, Chochu, Aisha, Reem and Zaina, Brekna. Nashnaz, another Tiger King. Nashnaz was a small, little, tiny boy which has some characteristics or features which are related to Sher Khan. Central views of this novel are as Tehmeena Durrani calls for alternative to Madrasa system. Tehmeena Durrani's book explores the ravages of war. Durrani launches book on war-torn Afghanistan. Tehmeena Durrani launches Crusade for Children of War in this novel Happy Things in Sorrow Times. Tehmeena Durrani calls attention to children of war. Listeners, some main features of this novel Happy Things in Sorrow Times are as everyone has a child in them. no matter how old they become. This novel advocates the freedom of women. This novel is illustrated with almost 30 watercolor paintings based on her personal visits to refugee camps in both Afghanistan and Pakistan. The most important feature of this novel is that Tahmina presented the salute to the kindness of Pakistan when Pakistani gave the warm welcome to Afghanistan's refugees during the session of World War and Horror. She is very thankful to the Pakistani judicial system. A unique feature of this book is that it has colorful illustrations in it that add distinctive quality to this work. What makes this even more interesting is that the author herself made all the illustrations in own ways. Listeners, basically this novel contains the real life tragedies. As you can see that the protagonist of this novel, Basrabia, and her boyfriend, you can say that our best friend face Sherhan face many problems during the war sessions in Afghanistan. Later Sherhan becomes the chief of her his team. You know that the team of the Sherhan was fighting against the terrorists in Afghanistan on the mountains, as well as some other specific areas. Tahmina Durrani uses some specific Pashto language and cultural expressions such as more. You know that more word is means mother in English language, and aga means father. Chupsha means chupsha means you can say that don't speak. Next one is lehmane. Lehmane means that nonsensible person. Next one is dil taraza. Dil taraza means that come here. Listeners, these are the specific Pashto language words which was used by Tahmina Durrani is her writing. So I did my efforts to convey the some you can say that the some ideal contents of this novel, Happy Things in Sorrow Times, to my listeners. If you have any query about this novel, Happy Things in Sorrow Times, you can ask from me by commenting on the comment section. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.